Nana Obiri Boahen, NPP, former Deputy General Secretary, or NPP, former Deputy General Secretary. Now, Odin be a good mountain, so you say, Papa, one of the campaign team members of Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia na say we obefa bia no Bawumia ho adanse nko a na nyoma pa Bawumia ye dia bo oman Ghana no ana ese dan dan papa yi normally I na hu so ta kwotena wuntumi FM so na TV so eta ne omo kwotwetwen komo interviews ahodo aya na eta ekoso pa and other social media platforms and afin so radio stations ya na ta ko pa na odin bia to dwa efa elections 2024 and afin so NPP presidential primaries ebe koso no na nisemu no ana odi to dwa se ohwe candidate mo contest elections ni na kame akwai say among all the candidates no there is one candidate among them say ono anu ni vision e wona ni so no ade say konkan pa and he thinks most about the university student. Now this candidate enyo bia said you nim no Bawumia ho asem na ode to dwa Bawumia ho asem na ode to dwa na nisem no say o kire say o hwe Bawumia there's no way say abano be lusu da da ya obaweni abana say enya asem keto akra na o kire say Bawumia or contest LPP flag bearer elections no dear say so or winning elections now he aspire to prioritize the welfare of students na say school for adwene edan so pa dan no or share measures upon measures obetimi edi agu imonten so said the beya school for ebetimi ho atom na say adusuane adekire ho nsam no so etimi Jan na so na okasa na all dey insem bi egu montin so make certain emphasis na the emphasis mu no na all share the significance of students role in shaping the country's future kwanya students as they are omo betimi aboa na so my Ghana mpuntu atimi akoso eno na the lawyer Obiri Boahen eka ho asem no na o kire say you are lucky God has given you Bawumia. This is the statement or they all university students and where there just enya asem ketwa or see those of you in the university that have a voice in the affairs of the country, you have to realize that it is your time. You university students, it's your time. For us, we are old men and we will die and be gone. They said, omo ba ya be no ye bi wo university ni de kan won ne was say ye timi emeki the right decisions according to Nana Obiri Boahen, our former deputy general secretary the NPP. Now again he urged them to recognize that their time to make a difference, asserting that Bawumia candidacy represents a unique opportunity for positive change. He stated, for you guys, you are very lucky God has given you Bawumia. This is the quote. I'll make it he made this quote, and he may quote in a statement, not at me at the mama say. For you guys, you are very lucky God has given you Bawumia. God has given you Bawumia. And Bawumia has come for you, the boys and the girls in the university. So you people have to embrace him and not we the old men to be doing the plenty talking. You should be going to the villages to tell them about Bawumia. Ahead of the NPP's November presidential primaries, 10 candidates, including the vice president, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, and Alan Kojo have been crossing the country's curtain to support the party delegates. Dr. Bawumia, as part of his campaign, has promised to appoint 10 party members from each constituency to the government position when elected flag bearer and subsequently president. Now, Bawumia wa be PM Asante Mantam unima we update wa be PM hada da na afi na o Asante Mantam 11 days na o de pro Asante Mantam na Oba no at Swami constituency hono kwhye sa aboyi America ho asemi sese ye to oba no de mana idea say obe appoint nipa 10 party members from each constituency into government position na afi nso omatimi abeboa their constituency they are in na ni na no ebetimi aboa pa na Alan Chamantin on the other hand has stated that the Stano will see all delegates in the party placed on a monthly salary and social security policy when you Alan Chamantin there. And again, the other contenders in the race are MP for Asen Central, Kennedy Akompre Kwenjapon, former Minister of Justice and Attorney General Joe Gatti, a businessman and energy expert Kojopoku, former Minister of Energy Boachen Jakun, and completing the list are former NPP General Secretary Cabinet J. Japan and former NPP Member of Parliament, former NPP Member of Parliament from Ampon Francis Adenimu, former Minister of State Dr. Kofi Kunedo Apreku, and the former Minister for Food and Agriculture Dr. Owusu Koto Efriye. These are the candidates contested in the NPP presidential primaries, and among all of them, no, and Nana Obiri Boahen, university students are very lucky. Say Nakupon de Bawumia and so etimi adom because Bawumia intentions are only trim any vision and then so no esopa ya hwe Asante mantem wa pie ne nsem wa keka ene nyoma bi a oya it all points fingers to the fact say Bawumia na nia bre pa as ye man ho kwan a obetimi adijuma esombo pa de abo oman even though say so many candidates are proving themselves to have the capacity to lead the country, but then or share the capacity per se ya adesi hiya obi a wa ba mu a wadi kan ye bida na ebetimi entrusted with the fact say ono obesa so atinya ebiem ye hweba Bawumia ne personality ne dwumadi a odi as the vice president at least we know certain things, one or two things be in office. So for this one, at least he can boast of himself, say this and this and this I've done. So if you vote for me, I can continue doing it. But then as compared to others now, some of the candidates also have the same thing, the same privilege or the same boast as Bawumia to be boasting of themselves of what they've done. But then Osha Omwa, among all of them now, according to Nana Obiri Boahen dear, ono susuyemu, ono anadintremu, ene ono ankasa no asese nioma ehwe nioma mu a, ohun se Bawumia ene wo se Ghana for na NPP for timi to aba no e de ema no. No so adwenkyere ne se hu ne se Bawumia ene the right candidate to be elected flag bearer of the NPP and subsequently the president of the Republican. And also say you have another candidate who trima o de we gidi say ono ebetimi abo oman. Ma me hu adwenkyere comment section so na ye hwe ene mu say another update about to ya pono so no ye no ebetimi atena sidi mu nkyere mu atimi dia somo.